Hello everyone! In this video, I'll be discussing 3 important updates that will be released on July 23rd. The first update is a change to the Bookzy view on the right side during listing. It will now feature a more effective Bookzy layout. The second update brings a dashboard to Bookzy Mobile similar to the Bookz Pro standard package. The third update introduces a hidden mode feature to Bookzy Mobile. In the current version, when you scan a product, its information appears as shown on the right side. The new version will be simpler and more descriptive. The Bookzy view you see on the right side is the new layout. The biggest difference is the addition of a line under Amazon and the buy box prices being highlighted in green. Bookzy Mobile now features a dashboard page. By pressing the home button on the far left, you'll access the dashboard page. At the top, you'll find the same information you see in the Amazon and Bookz Pro standard package dashboard sections. Additionally, you can create graphs based on sales volume here. First, you can select between sales and quantity on the right side, and then choose the time range on the left side. The information at the top reflects the total sales volume, and average sales prices for the selected time range. Clicking on any column will display sales or sales volume according to your selection. At the bottom, you'll find the number and percentage of high-price items from the Bookz Pro standard package dashboard, as well as the number and percentage of products flagged as global minimum reached. Previously, there was a sold days tab at the bottom. We've integrated this into the dashboard. By clicking on the blue button here, you can view your sales for today. At the top, you'll see the total sales amount, total sales volume, and average sales price as before. As a new feature, we've added the sold days information, which shows the number of days the product has been sold in the last 6 months. Similarly, by long pressing on the SKU, you can copy it. Our third feature is the hidden mode, which will be particularly useful for those managing employees. With hidden mode, you can completely hide the dashboard page. This means that both sales figures and the products sold today will be hidden from your employees. When hidden mode is active, the dashboard page appears as shown on the screen. You can still use other pages as usual, but no information will be visible on the dashboard page. To activate hidden mode, log in to your Bookz Pro account and click on the Bookzy Mobile button. From there, click on the 3 dots on the right side of the relevant device and select Edit Hidden Mode. You can make your selection from the options that appear on the screen. To help you distinguish more easily, there's also a hidden mode column where you can track which devices have hidden mode enabled and which do not. Here's an important detail. After changing the hidden mode setting, you need to close and reopen Bookzy Mobile on the relevant device for the changes to take effect. We've introduced features to make your life easier. For any questions, please make sure to contact the Bookz Pro Support team. I hope this video has been helpful. See you in the next video.